The water on Earth comes from various sources and undergoes a continuous cycle known as the water cycle or hydrological cycle. Here's a breakdown of the major sources of water on Earth. 1. Oceans. The largest source of water on Earth is the vast oceans, which cover approximately 71% of the planet's surface. Oceans contain about 97% of all water on Earth, but their high salt content makes it unsuitable for most human and terrestrial use. 2. Ice caps and glaciers. Around 2% of Earth's water is stored in ice caps and glaciers, primarily in the polar regions. These frozen reservoirs hold a significant amount of fresh water, which slowly melts and contributes to the water cycle. 3. Groundwater. Beneath the Earth's surface, there are vast underground reservoirs of water known as groundwater. It fills the spaces between soil particles and rocks in the underground aquifers. Groundwater accounts for about 0.5% of Earth's total water volume and serves as a vital source for drink. 4. Lakes, rivers and streams. Surface water, including lakes, rivers and streams, makes up only about 0.01% of Earth's water. These bodies of water collect precipitation, runoff from the land, and melting ice, and they play a crucial role in sustaining terrestrial life. 5. Atmospheric water. Water vapor in the atmosphere is an essential part of the water cycle. It comes from evaporation from the oceans, lakes, rivers, and even plants. When the air cools, the water vapor condenses to form clouds. Precipitation occurs when the condensed water droplets combine and fall. Overall, the water on Earth is constantly cycling through these various reservoirs and changing states between liquid, solid, ice, and gas, water vapor, ensuring a continuous supply of water on our planet. Since 14 centuries ago, the Quran has answered it. And Quran say at chapter 23 verse 18, "We send down rain from the sky in perfect measure, causing it to soak into the earth, and we are surely able to take it away."